26 anti-cheat error, EA AntiCheat failed to initialize on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close EA Sports FC 26 completely, exit the EA app or Steam, restart your computer, launch the game again. Number 2. Run EA AntiCheat as administrator. Open the EA Sports FC 26 installation folder. Locate eaanticheat.installer.exe. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Complete the process. Restart your PC. MER 3. Repair or reinstall EA AntiCheat. Open eaanticheat.installer.exe. Select EA Sports FCT26. Click on Install. Install EA AntiCheat again. Launch the game. Net 4. Verify game files. Open the EA app or Steam. Select EA Sports FC26. Choose Repair or Verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to complete. Restart the game. 5. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Launch FC26. Number 6. Update graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. HAR 7. Disable antivirus temporarily. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus software. Add the EA app and EA Sports FC26 to the antivirus exclusions list. Launch the game. Re-enable antivirus after testing. HAR 8. Enable Secure Boot. Restart your PC and enter BIOS UEFI. Enable Secure Boot if it is disabled. Save the changes. Restart Windows. Launch EA Sports FC26. Close background programs. Open Task Manager. Close overlay applications such as Discord, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, and other monitoring tools. Launch the game again. NAR 10. Reinstall EA Sports FC26. Uninstall the game. Restart your PC. Download and install the latest version. Launch the game and check if the anti-cheat error is resolved. These steps can fix EA AntiCheat failed to initialize, EA AntiCheat service encountered an error, anti-cheat error, security violation, and failed to start game issues in EA Sports FC26 on Windows PCs.